Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today market update for July 28, 2020. If you look at the daily check on the SPY, yesterday the market had tried to get back up. Today they tried to go up, they couldn't do it, so they pulled back down. So technically the market had gone sideways, they go nowhere. And you can see that in the shorter term, the market is trying to put it back up. They get into uh, the 323 level that we predicted on the weekly market forecast. If they cannot close above this line, the market is still in the correction. So they tried it a couple of times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They couldn't do it. So the last minute, in the last 1 hour, they just put it back down. So right now they put it back down, but they have a support at this level here, which is very strong fight for the bull right here. So if the market is to stay above it, 319, and then the market is to be able to get back up. But if they drop below here, then we have to watch out for furthermore in the correction side. So tomorrow it will be a very important day for the market because the Fed, they have a they call FOMC meeting. So they will announce the interest rate. They talk about bond and all kind of stuff. So that can affect the market. So let's see how the institution and the trader will react to the new. They're going to announce at 2 p.m. Eastern time, and that will tell us the clear direction where they go. So usually before the Fed day, the market goes sideways. They try to have the clear understand from what they are going to say. So if you are a day trader, you see that today the market is trying to push it back up after they break a upper trend line support. So they put it back up right into the resistance, and after that they slam it down. But they slam it down right into the support. So right now, after hour, the market is trying to put back up, but overall trend that we still right now is still in the downside. So I think before the Fed and now anything, the market will be still push it back down a little bit and then try to find a way to push it either give up or they will punch it higher and get back to the upper level. So if you are looking at the couple of stocks today, I focus on a lot of swing trade. So yesterday we have one trade here, we put it back up, head to the first target, we take the profit. Today we take another second target profit on the Sohu. So this is a swing trade. You buy it and then you just set the target. You set the target. This is I call a set it and forget it swing trade method. That's what we are teaching in Stock Navigator. So as you can see here, by using this format, so yesterday we closed half of them, we make it yeah, almost uh, $1,800. Today we make another $31.93 more. So it's not bad for one swing trade in 2 days. You can put back almost $5,000. So this is something that for the people that busy, they don't have time to sit in front of the monitor to trade every minute, and then this is the method that you can learn so that you can trade, and if you're busy at work. So look at the couple of stocks that we are talking uh, on the weekly market forecast. So one stock we talk about KML still doing well. They try to break out and find a way to go higher. The second one is PNR. This one here is also try to hit up here. They have some resistance. They go sideways. So at the moment they can clear this resistance here. I believe that they will find a way to shoot it back up also. IBTX is still try very similar. So they try to build a base now. So after the Fed, let's see it. They give them some momentum to put it in the upside because on this Thursday or Friday we have another important thing here because that's the deadline for the stimulus packet. At least another $1 trillion will be thrown to the market, so that can help the bank to find a way up. All right, so that's all I have for you today. So thank you very much. If you would like to learn more about our strategy, our method, how to read the chart, how to do day trade to make some extra daily income as well as the swing trade, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. And please subscribe to our YouTube so every time we have a new video, we will send it to you so you can see right away. Again, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.